Sup guys, over here. In this video we'll try to kill two birds with one stone, get ourselves a free NFT with potential future benefits while doing some transactions on zkSync Era mainnet for the potential airdrop on that chain. If you haven't watched my Airdrop Hunting zkSync Era video, a link is going to be in description alongside with every other link for this video. So for these activities we'll obviously have to pay gas on zkSync Era mainnet. And also to mint the NFT itself is on Polygon, so we're probably gonna pay a couple cents of Maverick there. And as usual, before we begin, a couple of disclaimers. Nothing here is financial advice, always do your own research. Neither steps here guarantee that you will get an airdrop, even if that airdrop will happen in the future. And lastly, all information in the video and description, including links, provided as is, so follow at your own risk. The activities here are for Maverick app. It's a DeFi application that recently joined zkSync Era. It's fairly unknown. So what do we need to do here? Obviously some social tasks, join Discord, like the Twitter, join the Telegram, and then we need to do at least one swap of at least 10 USD value and create one LP position of at least 10 USD. So we're gonna go and do that. First of all, I'm gonna connect my wallet, and be sure to use the wallet that you use for your zkSync Era airdrop farming. If you connect the wallet and it says undefined, just reconnect it. And be sure that here it's zkSync Era and not Ethereum mainnet. Okay, one important thing here, because I just got stuck for a minute. If you're trying to swap and you get the message that the price impact is too high, just try to refresh the page. Okay, I'm gonna swap some ETH to USDC. Let's check the gas. Also keep in mind that like 2/3 of the gas is being refunded on zkSync usually. Also it seems like zkSync is a bit congested at the moment, so transactions can take additional time. Alright, it took like 60 seconds. It's very fine. Now let's see if USDC is actually in my wallet. Yeah, they are. And the second part that we need to do, we need to pool. What's a good pool here? I'll take this one. Select token pair, fee tier. Then we need to select the mod, and I just checked the clarification on the Discord to be eligible for the NFT. You need to create the position with 10 USD with either asset. So you cannot bring like 5 USD plus 5 USD. You need 10 USD of a single asset. And if you select, for example, mod right here, you can only pull USD, for example. If you select mod left, you only pull ETH. So it's like dependent on what asset you want to pull. In my case, I'm going to pull both. I'm going to go with the static. Let's do exponential, 20%, looks fine. I'm going to put 44 here. It's weird because it says I'll need to approve 44. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Yeah, we're gonna see how that works out. So that's a bit odd. Okay, USDC approved. Confirm amount. How much is gas? Holy mother of God. 11.43. So if that 2/3 is refunded, we're basically paying like 3.5 bucks for it. That's still a lot. They said on Discord that if you go to your portfolio will take a while to appear here. Okay, it took me like 2 minutes for this to show up in the portfolio. Now let's see. Oh yeah, that's what I suspected. It's manually updatable by the curator, so we have to wait a little bit. Yay, we got it. That was fast actually. Okay, let's try to mint. We need to switch to Polygon. And after minting, we actually have to claim our roles on the Discord. Alright, let's go. Okay, 6 cents gas for Maverick. Funny enough, MetaMask also said about Polygon that it's congested, yet you're still paying 6 cents. And in general, like zkSync Era, transactions are obviously cheaper than on Ethereum mainnet, but they're not still cheap. Transaction success, so that took like 2 minutes. And once you mint the NFT to get the OG role on the Discord, what we need to do, we need to go to collab land and connect our profile. Then you follow the link that bot gives you, send the message, make sure it's the same message that you see on the Discord, and it will then connect you and you will be given the OG role. As you can see, this is the OG list. You can check, I have OG role now, so hopefully that will give me some benefits in the future. But even if it doesn't, again, I did some transactions for my zkSync era. Yeah, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you found it helpful, please drop a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.